Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Just thought I'd come outside to show you what's happening. Luckily we've got some beautiful rain today, which should help with the levels in the dams and the reservoirs here in Yorkshire, because we've still got a hose pipe down. We've had a drought on. The window there is still not fitted because I've had rain for the last 2 days, so I'm not even able to work outside with my power tools. Here we have these cosmos that are still flowering, and with the hollyhock there. If you come down here, beautiful perennial geranium down here, looks absolutely amazing even in the rain. Really do enjoy that. Then we come round here, these begonias that have not fared very well this year because of the drought, but hopefully they'll fare a lot better once I dig them up and get them inside the greenhouse. And we come round here, we have all the old pots from this year where things have been growing, and he's raking it out. And here's the window that still hasn't been fitted, so need to drill some holes in that, get it fitted up there. Just want to get everything cleaned up and tidied. Look at all this needs to go up inside. The drain pipe needs finishing, but I could be saving all this water. I'm not happy about. As we come inside, wow, that's cold on my back. Wow. As we come inside, just get over there. Just see there. Yep, all this storage underneath here. I'm positive that all that out there will fit easily under here, so that's not a problem. Remove the carbon filter. I might just raise it up to the top there, put a bracket in for that. As we come out here, that's going to be for my tools that side. Get that fitted. And over here, nice and dry over here. Got my lights under there, which I don't think I'm going to be able to afford to run this year. So I'm not happy about that at all. All that just needs to wash down. And that's about it, folks. Quick catch up. As you can see and hear, it's absolutely thundering down out here. So yeah, these are just my DeWalt to my Bosch that I've been using. Once that other window gets fitted, and I can put the door back on. Isn't that right, monkey? Isn't that right, monkey? That's right, Paul. Cheers, mate. I mean, he's warm enough there, so not a problem. I don't want to be done for cruelty to monkeys. Do I, monkey? No. So yeah, can't wait to get this window in tomorrow. It's all sealed up nice and tight then, and then I can sort out, fetch everything inside, get everything fitted under there, get my shelves up there, and a set of shelves there, and I can just pot up there, just the rest of it. I'll get some plastic covering for this, so when I'm watering things I don't want this plywood to get wet and damp. And just get some more of this bubble wrap that I used to insulate it there, and the bubble wrap all the way around there, all the way around the top. It's already bubble wrapped round there, so that's alright. As you can see at the bottom there, bubble wrapped. Spin round, all that's been bubble wrapped there. So yeah, if you've got any questions about anything in my gardening videos, please don't hesitate to ask, folks. If you like my videos, please subscribe. And as always, happy sowing, happy growing. So bye, monkey. Bye, Paul. Bye, monkey.